Hey, what's up? Shaka and Brian here.
And we are going to review the KiwiTime SG3 smartwatch. The KiwiTime SG3 is an interesting cheap-range smartwatch. I don't need to tell you it's got always-on display, you must have seen it on clickbait, but what's interesting is this baby can run for 7 days continuous with an always-on display and 60 days standby on normal mode. That's something essentially that Apple wanted to perfect, but we know Apple consumes more power with a small battery. However, this baby does opposite. In addition to including the AMOLED screen does not neglect our physical monitoring, since it can monitor 10 sports, it includes a rear heart rate sensor that has the capacity to perform electrocardiograms, ECG, a pressure sensor blood and blood oxygen. As you can see, a smartwatch with multiple sports functions and that also has IP68 protection, so we can even use it for swimming. The features of this watch are practical, they have not promised too much, but deliver what they have specified. The best part of this watch is its awesome price that is under $49. But before you can buy it, let's check whether it is really worth the price. First, we talk about the design. The new SG3 device comes with a sporty design that's compatible with men and women, having a full round shape with 2 physical buttons on both sides, measuring 42 by 42 by 10 millimeters and weighing just 50 grams. The body is made of zinc alloy, while the strap is removable and available in silicone.
Telling about the straps, the smartwatch has soft but durable silicone strap. It features a quick release pin for easy replacement. The default strap that comes with the watch is colorful and available in steel and silicone. You can easily match your unique fashion look. In case if you want to buy a strap from the aftermarket, there are tons of options available on AliExpress and Gearbest to choose from. The cost of interchangeable straps are between $3 to $10, therefore you can choose and change the looks of your watch according to the cost. And did we talk about the waterproofing of the smartwatch? Yes, it's a waterproof IP68 smartwatch. That means that you can dip the smartwatch in the water up to 1 meters and you can wear it while you're washing your hands or on rainy days. It's also suitable for swimming too, and therefore has got a swimming mode as one of the many sports modes that are pre-installed in the watch. A smartwatch is pretty much 95% display, so let's talk about it.
The smartwatch uses a 1.3-inch 390 by 390 AMOLED touch retinal screen, which makes your vision colorful and bringing an extraordinary visual experience. It is an edge-to-edge display with always-on display feature and powered by 2.5D scratch resistance. The wearable also packed with multi-watch faces which give you the freedom to choose one that suits your style.
Speaking about the hardware, the watch has 2 processors, the Nordic, which includes a low-power processor with ARM Cortex-M4F core, which is a 1MB of RAM, 128MB of ROM, and has a Bluetooth connectivity to pair it with Android and iOS smartphone efficiently. To configure it, we will use an app from where we can change the visual aspect of the main screen, consult the data on our physical activity, and make all kinds of adjustments. The SG3 watch can track up to 12 modes of sports activities such as walking, running, mountain climbing, cycling, swimming, jump, basketball, and much more. It also supports 4 kinds of health monitoring sensors including EPG and PPG, heart rate monitoring sensor, sleep monitoring, blood pressure monitoring, and oxygen monitoring. The wearable has Bluetooth 5.1 compatibility with Android 5.1 and above, and iOS 10.0 and above. It uses the Fundo Support app. The watch supports Bluetooth calling that many low-end smartwatches cannot achieve, but this watch is different. The smartwatch is much faster compared to the previous version of its upgraded model. It has 1MB of RAM, 128MB of flash memory. The 1MB of RAM with no lag has sensational smooth transition of menus according to KiwiTime. Now Brian will tell you more about the battery.
No worries on its battery life. The KiwiTime SG3 has at least 7 days of battery life in always-on mode usage and 60 days of standby time. This is possible due to its low power consumption chip. The 230 mAh can last up to a week in just a single charge. It's ironic, although equipped with such modern features, the SG3 can still give up to 60 days of standby time.
Well, Brian forgot to mention the smartwatch is also equipped with wireless paired charging, just like what you will do with an Apple Watch and Samsung Galaxy watches. This watch will have the same wireless feature with a fraction of a cost. Now about the features. Just like other KiwiTime smartwatches, the KiwiTime SG3 is loaded with call and message notifications. And according to KiwiTime, you have the option to turn it off. It also supports social app notifications such as Facebook, Skype, Twitter, WeChat, Weibo, WhatsApp, Instagram, KakaoTalk, and QQ. You can also set alarm with up to 8 alarm signs, unlike the first version which was 12 modes only. The SG3 smartwatch is packed with 30 sport modes. That's insane. Yes, whether it's indoor or outdoor, the watch got it all.
The smartwatch even has sport monitoring for pilates, yoga, billiards, hula hoop, which you don't usually see it on other smartwatches. Get fit with its tailor-made sports for health and fitness enthusiasts. Aside from the above sport features, the smartwatch has also an automatic step counter with calorie and distance tracking. It is also equipped with heart rate monitoring, blood pressure monitoring, and blood oxygen monitoring to keep your health in check all the time. Additional health functions included in the smartwatch are sleep monitoring as well as sedentary alert.
And the best part of the watch is the price. For just under $49.99, which is under $50 of course, it's definitely worth the price. On the top of that, if you want more discounts, please check our links in the description below and you'll find amazing prices for this watch. But before we leave, we have to talk about the disadvantages. There are a few, but every watch has them, and so does the SG3. First disadvantage, it doesn't have NFC, so if you're the type that pays in style by swiping your wrist, this watch isn't for you.
The watch does not have GPS, so it would rely on your smartphone GPS for fitness activities and a lot more other functions, but doesn't mean that it's a bad watch. This watch is the best seller in the year 2020.
Here comes the end of our video. Hope you like it, and you can buy the smartwatch in the links provided below. And for more videos like these, please share and subscribe. Until then, take care, have a great day, stay safe, and goodbye.